Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G60S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select shop, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter your member ID manually. Tap save. And it's done. Now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty, select shop and enter your details. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.